Hi there, here is your geologic time post-test. For the questions 1 through 29, you're going to choose the answer that best completes the statement and record the letter in the space on your Scantron. Number 1, which of the following statements about the rock cycle is true? A, rocks follow the same path in how they form and change type. B, a type of rock is able to change into another type of rock under the right conditions. C, rocks on Earth are generally the same age. D, the atmosphere does not affect the rock cycle. Be sure to look at figure 1 to the left there. Number 2, which processes would cause a metamorphic rock such as marble to begin to turn into a sedimentary rock such as sandstone? A, intense heat and pressure deep below the surface. B, melting and cooling of magma within the crust. C, weathering of a rock into sediment. Or D, the fast cooling of lava on the surface. Number 3, you are studying some moon rocks that are made of jagged pieces cemented together from dust. How would you classify this type of moon rock? A, igneous rock. B, metamorphic rock. C, sedimentary rock. Or D, mineral. Number 4, if you found a rock with a fossil in it, what type of rock would you infer it is? A, igneous rock. B, metamorphic rock. C, sedimentary rock. Or D, it could be any type of rock. Number 5, which of the following statements is not true about the fossil record? A, it provides evidence for the history of life on Earth. B, it shows that life on Earth has changed over time. C, it provides evidence to support the theory of evolution. D, it reveals that complex organisms have given rise to simpler organisms. Number 6, in order to form a fossil, an organism must usually do what quickly after it dies? A, decompose. B, be buried. C, rot. D, go extinct. Number 7, why are deserts, tar pits, and ice good places to find body fossils? A, bacteria and other decomposers cannot thrive in these environments. B, bacteria and other decomposers can thrive in these environments. C, most ancient organisms lived in this environment. D, many ancient organisms traveled to these places to die. Number 8, in which type of fossil might you find the remains of an insect preserved with little or no change? A, permineralized. B, amber. C, mold. Or D, trace. Number 9, the relative age of a rock is A, its age compared to the ages of other rocks. B, its age based on the amount of carbon-14. C, the number of years since the rock formed. D, less than the age of the fossils it contains. Number 10, the law of superposition states that in horizontal layers of sedimentary rock, each layer is A, younger than the layer above it and older than the layer below it. B, neither older or younger than the other layers. C, older than the layer above it and younger than the layer below it. Or D, always older than any vertical layers? Sometimes it helps me to draw a little picture on this one. All right, we are using figure 2 over here for questions 11 through 13. Number 11, the sedimentary rock layers at 3 locations can most accurately be correlated by comparing A, the thickness of the sedimentary rock layers, B, foliation bands in the metamorphic basement rocks, C, the fossils in the sedimentary rocks, or D, the minerals in igneous rocks. Number 12. After examining the layers and identifying the fossils, which include sharks' teeth, snails, and clams, what could you include about the environment in the past? A, there was glacial activity. B, there was a desert. C, there was volcanic activity. Or D, there was an ocean. Number 13. An unconformity can be observed in figure 2, represented by the question mark. Which rock layer was most probably removed by weathering during the time presented by the unconformity? Would it be layer A, layer B, layer C, or layer D? Number 14. Scientists are studying rock layers in the Great Lakes region as pictured in figure 3. Rock section W was found to have igneous rock layers, and they were able to use radioactive decay to obtain absolute ages of the rock. The granite was dated to be 480 million years, and an ash layer was dated to be 275 million years in section W. Using this information, what would you estimate the age of the fossils in section X? Younger than 275 million years, that's A. B, younger than 480 million years and older than 275 million years. C, older than 480 million years. Or D, age cannot be estimated because no absolute ages have been obtained for section X. In figure 4, a section of the Grand Canyon, scientists have found fossil remains of several groups of organisms. The diagram represents the number and age of fossils found. The width of the shaded area indicates the relative number of fossils found. Number 15. Fossils from group C and B have been found together in other parts of the world. What is the probable age of these fossils? Would it be less than 10 million years? That's A. B, 10 to 20 million years. C, 20 to 30 million years. Or D, more than 30 million years. Number 16. Which statement is supported by the data in the fossil record chart, which is figure 4 above? A, Group C is now extinct. B, Group B was the most numerous organism 10 million years ago. C, Group A is the most recent organism to come into existence. Or D, Group D has been in existence the longest. I'm going to pause here, and then you'll go on to video number 2.